everyone, it's LaLiLu. Wow, Lali, what are you watching?
Too bad the movie hasn't come out yet. Oh, I've got a vision. Let's create the characters from the movie ourselves.
Great idea, let's do it. Who will we choose for a makeover?
I'll be right back. Stop! Concert is over, guys.
Oh my god. What?
You're in LaLiLu's workshop. You are in for an amazing makeover. Ta-da! And here are your characters. You'll be Woody and you'll be Jessy. So, are you ready?
Huh? Sure, let's give it a try.
Yay! I knew you'd say yes. We'll start with Roomie. And Jinu, you rest for now. Have a seat, Roomie.
Phew, thank you.
We're about to do a real makeover.
Oh, I'm getting a little dizzy.
Oh, I'm sorry, Roomie. I went a little overboard. This will come in handy. We're going to turn you into a total masterpiece. Let's start with the hair. Oh, I got an idea. This is exactly what we need.
Lali, are you sure?
Trust me. Ready?
Fine.
Then let's begin. Like this. We don't need this. Woohoo!
Can I take a look?
Oh, no. I think I got all tangled up. Oops.
Lali, are you okay?
Huh? Completely fine. And we'll be using this material for your hairstyle.
Lali, let me untangle you. Here.
Thank you. Oh, LaLiLu, can you please make a wig cap? I'll prepare the thread in the meantime.
Sure, we'll need a doll head. Put on a wet wipe and secure it with an elastic. Apply glue. Add another wipe. Dry it with a hairdryer. Draw the hairline and trim off the excess. The cap is done. We put it on Roomie and paint it to match the hair color. Lali, it's all ready.
Amazing! Now for the hair.
Hot glue the strands one by one. Bottom to top.
Perfect. Now we need to braid it.
Separate it. Make one big braid. Secure it with a yellow elastic and trim the ends.
I feel like we're missing something. But what? I just can't remember.
Let's compare to the reference.
Of course, we need a hat.
I happen to have just the right foam sheet. Draw several circles. Cut out the pieces. And assemble the hat. The base is ready. Cover it in faux leather. Add white trim, a ribbon, and voila!
Wow, it came out so cool. I need to take a selfie.
Lali, give it back. It's for Roomie.
Hey, come on, LaLiLu.
The hairstyle is done.
That slaps. Let's check that off the list. Oh, Jinu is waiting for me. I'll be right back.
Oh, Jinu, you look absolutely incredible. What a handsome guy. Jinu, how's your day going?
Jinu, who exactly are you talking to?
No one.
Light bulb moment. Let's give you an awesome haircut.
Be careful, Lali.
I'm a pro, Jinu. Just a little more.
So, how did it turn out?
Give us a spin. Oops. It's a tiny bit different from what I planned.
I want to look at myself.
No! I'm not done yet. You can't look in the middle of the process. How do I fix this?
Fix what?
Nothing, Jinu. You must have misheard me. I just need to check something on the tablet. Let me look up a video real quick. How to cut a guy's hair properly. Got it. I understand now. A hair trimmer is gonna save me.
Lali, what are you doing over there?
I'm just making a couple of little tweaks.
Can I look now?
Not yet. LaLiLu, help!
Don't stress, we'll fix it right now. Use clay.
Genius!
I'm bored.
Fine, here, take the tablet.
Sculpt Jinu's hair from air-dry clay. And now make a little curly forelock with a small piece, just like this.
We use a clay tool to make the lines. Ta-da!
So, how do I look? I'm pretty sure I look like a total heartthrob.
LaLiLu, look! Woody's hair is darker.
Easy fix. Let's use acrylic paint.
Oh, great thought.
We paint it in, and now the color matches the photo. So, are we done?
Yes, let's compare with the original. It came out really close. We did great.
Wow, I love my new style so much. Lali, we forgot the hat.
Right, let's make it quick.
We have faux leather pieces ready to go. Join these two parts together. Sew them with the right sides facing each other. Flip it inside out, and the crown is ready. Cut out the brim. Attach it to the crown, almost done. Add a darker band and stitch the edge with embroidery thread. Ta-da!
Wow, so gorgeous. Give it here. Wow, I'm a real cowgirl.
Lali, are you at it again? Jinu, here, try it on. Perfect. Cowboy Jinu. I'm absolutely slaying.
Yeah, not bad. Let's check hairstyle off the list.
I am so handsome.
Okay, I'm out of here. I'm going to Roomie. And here I am.
Oh, what are we doing now?
Let's take a look. I downloaded my notebook to my tablet. You can do it too. Check the link in the description. First, we'll need some remover and a pad. Here, let's dampen the pad. Oh, I just had an idea. I'll make you a face mask. You just rest for now. Perfect. What's next? The face is narrowed here and wider here. What if I do this? no, that's not working. LaLiLu, what do I do? I've only ever drawn faces on LOL dolls.
Don't worry, Lali, I'll teach you.
Thank you, LaLiLu. What would I do without you?
Take a fine brush.
And some acrylic paints.
Thank you, Lali. First, we'll draw the eyes. Paint the whites in white. Add the irises in green. Fill in the details in black. Now take some pastel and add some shading. Time to draw the lips. Lali, you do this part.
I'll give it a shot.
You're doing amazing. Let's refine it a little and add some blush.
Yay, it came out awesome! We are the best team. So, Roomie, what do you think of the makeup?
Wow, I love it so much. Thank you, Lali. You're so talented.
It wasn't just me, though. LaLiLu worked really hard on it, too.
Thank you too, LaLiLu. Anytime.
Okay, I really need to run to Jinu now. Jinu, you won't believe it. I just learned how to do something so cool. You're gonna be blown away.
What is it, Lali?
It's incredible. Sit down quick, let me show you.
Okay.
Right now, you're gonna be transformed into the real Woody. I just learned how to draw faces.
Sounds good, Lali. I'll just
We draw the eyes, 1 and 2. Now we take a thinner brush for the pupils, like this, and draw the pupils in. Something's off. Let me add a highlight. That may help. Oh, it's still not quite right. Something's not working. Oh, what's wrong? LaLiLu!
What happened, Lali?
Do you think it looks like Woody?
Well, I don't think it does.
Yeah, you're right. I still need more practice.
Want to try again together?
Great idea. You show me and I'll write it all down.
Let's take off the hat. Take a cotton swab with remover and wipe away everything that didn't work out. Now take a very thin brush and paint the white base of the eyes. Want to try drawing the irises?
Of course. Oh, wow, I did it. Look how neat that is.
Add the pupils and the highlights.
This is coming out so cool.
Now draw the eyebrows. Color in the lips, and there's our cowboy.
LaLiLu, we need pink cheeks too.
Pick up some pastel and give our Woody rosy little cheeks. Done.
Wow, LaLiLu, we created something awesome. Time to wake Jinu up. Here we go.
Oh, what? Is it done? I want to see myself. Here you go. Here's a mirror. Oh, wow. I look just like Woody, and those rosy cheeks are absolutely something.
So, do you like it? Well, of course. Who did the painting?
Put Jinu's hat back on and compare it to the photo of Woody. The resemblance is spot on.
Perfect. Check this item off the list.
Thank you, Lali. Thank you, LaLiLu. I honestly didn't know my face could look this amazing.
So glad, but I really need to get to Roomie now.
I'll be waiting.
I'm running. Roomie, I'm here.
Oh, what a beautiful dress.
No, that's not right for us at all. I have a way better idea.
I wonder what she has planned.
We're gonna create you a whole new look. We've got fabric, still need patterns. Here, trace them and cut them out. Now we need to sew them. Roomie, would you like something?
Oh, I'll have some Fanta, thanks.
And I'll take a Pepsi. Let me go check on how LaLiLu is doing.
Oh no!
Oh, what have I done?
Don't worry, Lali. We still have some white fabric left.
Big brain moment. We need a cow print, and that means we can fix everything with paint. Draw black spots in here, like this. Ta-da! Oh, LaLiLu, I need help. While I work on the pants, can you sew the blouse?
Of course, Lali. Place the pattern on the fabric and cut out the pieces.
Stitch it from the inside out. It's coming along great.
Join all the pieces together and sew them up.
Now let's join them together.
Add the cuffs and finish the edges.
Jessy, your pants are ready.
Oh, wow. Where do I change?
I thought of everything. So, how much longer?
I'm done.
Wow, the pants turned out amazing. An absolute masterpiece.
Bravo. And here's the blouse. Just need to add a couple of details. Decorative buttons and a belt.
Oh, sorry.
And the cowboy boots, like this.
Yay! Let's check the outfit off the list.
Wow, my Jessy look is absolutely perfect. A total match. I look so gorgeous. Thank you girls so much.
Okay, Jinu is waiting for me. Ta-da!
Bravo, Lali. Oh, wow, that slaps.
Wow, so much fabric.
Wow, Lali, what an entrance. You're so talented.
Thank you. Now we're about to work some magic.
Oh, wow, great.
But you're so tall. How am I going to take your measurements?
What do we do about that? Here's a ladder for you, Lali.
Oh, right on time as always, LaLiLu. Thank you. Now I can take your measurements. There, I'm taller than you, Jinu.
You sure are.
LaLiLu, help me. Hold this link. Ah! Phew! I knew you'd catch me, LaLiLu. Thank you.
Anytime, Lali.
Measurements are done. Let's start on the patterns.
Wow, how did you do that?
Well, I'm a pro.
I never had any doubts.
Want to see some magic?
Of course.
Watch this. We lay out the fabric and place the pattern on top. And now, magic. Bam!
Wow, no way!
The jeans are done.
When can I try them on?
Hold on, we still need a shirt. The only fabric we have is solid colored, but we need a pattern. What do we do? Oh, I've got it. Hold the fabric, Jinu, just a sec.
Okay. Oh, what's that even for?
You'll see right now. Using a ruler and the marker, we draw a plaid pattern on the fabric. Okay, marking it out. It's coming out great. And that's the plaid fabric we made. You can do it too. Even more life hacks are in my notebook. Download it from the link in the description.
Flip the fabric and trace the patterns. Cut them out. Done.
Awesome. Now we need to sew everything together.
That's right. First, sew the sleeves onto the body. Then stitch along the sides. Voila!
Wow, it turned out so cool. Jinu, it's all done. Try it on quick.
Oh, perfect. And here I am.
Wow, Jinu, you're absolutely slaying.
Look what I've got, a belt with a holster. I just need to add the buckle and some buttons. Now I'm a real cowboy. Yeehaw!
Look, Jinu, I'm galloping on my horsey.
Wow, Lali, what a fine steed.
Well, I love hobby horsing. Oh no, not those shoes.
What's wrong with them, Lali? They're stunning dress shoes.
Jinu, those are prom shoes. You're a cowboy now. Those don't suit you at all. You need something more like this.
Oh, these are exactly my size.
Yeah, those work way better for you.
Let's add some spurs. Now Jinu has real cowboy boots. Oh yeah. We'll also tie a cowboy bandana around his neck. And there's our complete Woody cowboy look. Yeehaw!
LaLiLu, we forgot the vest.
Oh, you're right. Well, no worries. We'll craft it real quick.
Oh, my subscribers are messaging me. Can you handle it without me?
Of course, Lali. We've got this. Take some white fabric and the pattern and cut out the pieces. Now sew the sides together. Oh wait, we need a print. There. Now that's way better. It fits perfectly. We'll borrow some rope from Lali. You look like a heartthrob. And the most important detail, the sheriff's badge. Thank you, LaLiLu.
LaLiLu, our subscribers said they love our video. Wow, Jinu, you look amazing. But LaLiLu, you forgot something. The red poncho bandana. Woody, try it on.
This is exactly like in the 5th movie.
Exactly.
Absolutely stunning.
The makeover is complete. Let's check it off the list. Wow, Jinu, you're the spitting image of Woody. What an incredible look. The belt with the holster.
There's a new sheriff in town. Haha.
And those spurs. Wait, right here. I'm gonna get Roomie. And here we are.
Jinu, I didn't recognize you. You look awesome. Thank you, Roomie. You look just like the real Jessy. Look at our stars. They're completely transformed. A perfect match to the Toy Story 5 characters, Woody and Jessy.
Okay, it's time for you two.
And you're back on stage, guys. Here's your microphones. And there you go.
Oh my gosh, what a look! Ah! Bravo! And this is just what you needed.
Wow, we're gonna be real cowboys.
Yahoo!
Woohoo! It's time for an adventure. Yeehaw!
Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. Bye-bye!